What's up, everybody? It's Matt here with Flight Sim Guides. In this video, we're going to look at a couple different things. This is not a review of what's coming up with the new Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 because I've never used it, I've never flown it, but I tell you what, over the last few days, I've seen enough of what has come of it. It looks like a Cyberpunk 2077 launch. More on that in just a second. What is going on in the world right now? So, Black Friday is coming up the day after Thanksgiving. So that would be 11/26 here in the States. Real Sim Gear has a little thing going on, so you can get, here's the stuff that's going on sale if you guys are looking for that. Last year I remember them doing this sale, and it wasn't nearly as much as I wanted it to be, but it's a sale nonetheless. Hopefully they go all in on some decent discounts this year, and you can get some good deals. Let's see what happens if you click prepare your cart. Let's see if they have some prices. Apparently not. Here's the 430. That's one of the items that are on sale. It wasn't any more than about 10, maybe 15, 20% last year off. So at $389, maybe you're going to save maybe 30, 40 bucks. It's okay. I would love to get the GNS 750, which would be, it'd be a GTN 750. That would be where I would go this year. So if it's a decent enough deal, those things are kind of pricey from Real Sim Gear. It does actually have the touchscreen stuff, but you would also have to get Reality XP in order to make it work. Quick update from XPlane. 12.1.3 is in beta. This is the one with the ATC update. I have not made my updates yet. I haven't been turning this thing on nearly as much as I want. Just got a lot going on. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments if you guys have used the ATC update, and let me know what you guys think. It says this update brings new features to our ATC system, SIDS and STARS, improvements to the A330, weather enhancements, and a variety of bug fixes. So they're still doing updates. That's great to hear. I'm glad to hear it. So that's all we really need to know. I also saw that XPlane just started a sale as of yesterday on XPlane scenery. So Black Friday, this is early Black Friday sale on scenery and utilities at the XPlane.org store. So go and check that out, see what they have for you. I'm sure they have some pretty cool stuff. I might grab some scenery packages from my local area as well, just for stuff that I haven't used lately. I saw this pop up. I hadn't seen it before. It may be something that's been around for a while, but the Next Level Racing Flight Simulator Boeing Commercial Edition. Let me tell you something. This thing could probably be used for a lot more than just Boeing. You could put all your stuff on here. You can attach your pedals to it. You can attach a keyboard to the side, and then you can have everything set up for your flight simulator, and then have a wraparound monitor system set up in front of this, which would be a really cool way to use this particular setup. Yeah, I think you have a lot of different options when it comes to the setup and just making use of it. You could put a panel right there in the front of it as well. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can keep track of this one. That's literally sold through Dell.com, okay? So this may be available elsewhere. I think the big thing that's on everybody's mind is that Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 release, and what happened with that, guys. Steam reviews collapsed to overwhelmingly negative reviews. The dev admits it was completely underestimated excitement for the game. I don't know why. Like, some of the things that I've seen, I haven't flown this yet myself. I apologize for that. I should be out there grabbing this, giving you guys like an actual review. But I've seen a lot of people talking on Facebooks. I know that you guys have been out there on Facebook, and you guys are probably seeing the same thing that I'm seeing if you guys waited to purchase. Or if you did purchase, what are you seeing? Are you seeing the same glitches? I've seen a lot of people basically talking about glitches here, glitches there, just the way the aircraft looks, the way that the scenery looks, basically that nothing's really working. So if you guys were around for the Cyberpunk 2077 release, I don't know whether that might have been about 20, maybe in 2020 or so. That did not go super well. It was not the #1 launch, and it took them 2 or 3 years to get that back to where it should be. And I mean, it turned into a pretty good game, but I never went back to play it. And I played maybe the first little bit of it back when it launched, but Yeah, it didn't go well, which sucked. I hope that this one they can fix the things much quicker and get out there and make things happen. So I'll leave links to this review here from IGN, and you guys can go check that out. There may be some redemption out there for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. It does have Microsoft behind it. They have a lot of firepower when it comes to getting some devs on this. Maybe they just weren't expecting it. Maybe this will take care of itself when people, stop overloading their servers. There was a lot of hype for this, and rightfully so. It looks like the big deal is that the players are getting eternal loading. Basically, they're saying that, if this happens, it's because there's a lot of people on the server. The service is failing. It restarts. Then you need to restart, and something's not loading. And when it's not loading, you're not getting to see everything that you're supposed to see. So I would almost bet that that's got to do with server load, overload. So it might take care of itself. We'll see. If I see anything else coming up here soon for you, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But that's it for today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys want to add to it, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of your Microsoft Flight Simulator launch. Let me know what you guys are going to grab from Real Sim Gear, if anything at all, or from somewhere else if you guys know where else to find a good deal on something. All right, take care. I'll see you guys in another video. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our Home Flight Simulator resource guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.